Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Techer Lover. So I'm back with a new video. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the Mbr partition error. So this error basically comes for suppose you try to install the any Windows, and the Windows supported the GPT partition scheme, or in your previous Windows you have installed your Windows 7 on Mbr partition. So now your hard disk supports Mbr, not the GPT. And suppose now you want to install Windows 10, and that you want to, by mistake in Rufus you have selected the GPT partition scheme, or Windows 10 needs GPT partition scheme. So this error comes. So in today's video I'll show you how to convert the Mbr hard disk to GPT hard disk without installing Windows. So we will do this in Windows setup. So as you can see, it is saying to install Windows, but I'm unable to install Windows because of the Mbr partition error. So to fix this error you have to press Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt. So as you can see, the command prompt is open now. So now you have to type here this part command. So now here you have to type list disk, and you can see that there are two disks which are online now, disk 0 and disk 1. This is your hard disk only, and my hard disk is converted into two partition. One is 465 GB and second is 14 GB. So now you have to select, you can select any hard disk which you want. I want to select disk 0. So I will type the command select disk 0. So as you can see, disk 0 is now selected disk, and now there is very easy command that I will type, and this command will convert the Mbr partition to GPT partition, and then we can easily install the Windows. So as you can see that disk is cleaned. Earlier by mistake I have written clean disk 0, so that is not a valid command. If you have selected disk 0, you just have to directly write clean. And so as you can see now, this disk is cleaned, and now I will show you that my Windows will start installing. So now setup is starting. So as you can see that here we are. So you can see now there is no error. Now you have to click on next, and you can see that Windows is started installing. So guys, as you can see that now Windows is installing. And please, if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel with your family members, friends, everyone, with your colleagues, with your office colleagues, with everyone, and help me to reach 1000 subscribers. Thank you guys for watching my video.